Welcome back to ClearTask. If you use TeraBox, you already know the frustration of being forced to download their mobile app just to watch or save a single video. Today, I am going to show you a simple, updated method to bypass that completely by connecting TeraBox directly to a Telegram bot. This will save you time and keep your phone free of unnecessary apps. First, open your Telegram app. Tap the search icon at the top right corner. In the search bar, type TeraBox Downloader. You will see several options pop up. Because bots frequently change, the best trick is to look for the bot with the highest number of active monthly users. Tap on the correct bot to open the chat, and press the start button at the bottom of your screen. A quick heads up, many active bots today will ask you to join their official update channel as a quick anti-spam verification step. If prompted, simply join the channel, go back to the bot, and tap verify. Now for the easy part. Whenever you get a TeraBox link, you no longer need to open it in your browser. Just copy the link, open your new Telegram bot, paste the link into the chat, and hit send. Within seconds, the bot will process the link and send the actual video file directly into your Telegram chat. From here, you can stream it instantly or save it straight to your device gallery without ever touching the TeraBox app. It is that simple, clean, and highly efficient. If this method helped you streamline your workflow, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, no-nonsense tech tutorials. See you in the next one.